the Rugby Eliminator LP dump body. The ultimate landscaper's dream truck. Available in 9 and 12-foot lengths to fit 60 or 84-inch CA cab and chassis. With a 17-ton hoist capacity, the Rugby Eliminator LP is ready for your toughest job, incorporating a patented EZ-Latch tailgate system. Equipped with 12 or 17-inch fold-down sides, with pockets for 2x6 sideboards for increased load capacity. Quarter cab shield and slatted viewing window makes checking your load a breeze. Currently in stock in painted steel and aluminum. Also available in stainless. Contact Expertec to discuss your fleet and commercial vehicle requirements. Expertec. Innovative, driven, excellence. Visit us online at www.expertec.ca.